Jessie and Corey from Finding Our Someday, and we've been on the road since November 2017. Our story started many years ago when my dad was diagnosed with ALS at the age of 46. He passed away at 53 and never got his someday, and that's where our name comes from. And it's why we started this new journey in living the life that we want today with our girls. Our children are 18 and 16 now, and we have traveled all over the US multiple times, multiple circles, have gone to Alaska and back in this RV actually, and with our truck, and we're excited for some really amazing upgrades today.
Yeah, so we put a video out where we installed the SumoSpring, the 1500s, like just in a parking lot. That's how easy they were to install. Here we are in Coeur d'Alene.
When we put that in, it was in Florida. So on the other side of the country, we find out that marketing team is here, engineers are here, and it just worked out perfectly.
Oh, yeah.
The funny story is that Justin, who contacted us, actually found out that we installed SumoSprings because his mom watches our channel. So it was a really, really funny story, and we're really excited to be working with you guys.
Like I said, we had the Solos on there before, which are great for trucks, but I didn't quite know what I was doing when I ordered these. So you guys reached out to us and we're like, maybe you would be better off with the trailering package. So we're going with the two-piece Rebel, and I'm really excited to see the difference. And then as well, for the trailer, we've broken some leaf springs, and that extra peace of mind for the extra load capacity, when we hit those big bumps and all that compression happens, I'm pretty excited to have one less worry on the road.
We do not want to be on the side of the road changing leaf springs again, so excited that this is going to help alleviate that concern.